Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com, and today's analysis is about the US dollar and the Japanese yen, as the pair is forming a triangle visible from the moon if you want, and regardless the eventual direction that this triangle is going to break, I would say that the path of least resistance, at least heading into next week and even for today, should be to the downside and not to the upside. The US dollar Japanese yen is forming this triangle starting with this moment of time, or from this level here, and either this one is an X wave, or the first leg of a triangle, this one here, can be an X wave, or it can be a wave A. It doesn't really matter. If this is an X wave, then the triangle looks like this, and I will try to build them with different colors. So this would be wave A to the downside, B to the upside, the C wave most likely to come around here, D, and then the E wave, and then to pop higher. However, we are now in the C wave here in the making, so the path of least resistance on this scenario should be to the downside. It is even forming here, even though it is a 1 hour chart, doesn't really matter. It is even forming here a series of a high and then a lower high, then a lower high. I would say that it will drift lower in the end. We're going to have the CPI data something like 20 minutes from now, and we'll see if this analysis is, let's say, is right or is confirmed by markets or not. The other scenario in which the triangle actually starts from here goes like this. This to be from here to be wave A. Then we need a B wave to the downside. That should go A, B, C, D, E. This to be the B wave. This to be the C wave. This to be the D wave. And here to have the E wave, and then we should still move lower. So on this scenario as well, let me change the color of it. Let's make it blue. On this scenario as well, still put options, still lower values, and still with the same expiration date, even though again is the 1 hour chart. So I would go here with end of day expiration date on the US dollar Japanese yen on both of these scenarios. So buying put options with end of day expiration date is the logical thing to do, even though again the time frame is only the 1 hour chart. Now, like any triangle, this one should travel within the A and C trend line A and the B to D trend line. This would be the A and C in the first case scenario, in the black one. Like this. And of course, on the other scenario, we have here the B to D trend line, which is about to be tested like this. Let's make it blue. And the A and C one from here to here. And normally we should again head lower, either to this trend line here or to this trend line here. I would say, if I were to pick between the two, I would say that the black scenario is, let's say, more appropriate than the blue one. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. binaryoptions.com. Make sure you check our website together with all the projects we have on the Binary Options Academy. Bye bye.